So what exactly is workplace culture, and why is it so important? Well, for one, it attracts and helps to retain quality people. It drives engagement and productivity. And of course, it impacts overall happiness and satisfaction for all. For some organizations, this is an entirely new concept. Not here at Jergens. They've been doing it for nearly 80 years.
I've done well over 10,000 birthday cards. I've done probably 4,000 anniversary cards. So every single individual here, I walk around, hand deliver a birthday card to each one of them with the $10 in it. It used to be $5, but now we're up to $10. We're probably ready to go to 20.
But workplace culture isn't just about making employees feel good. It's also about attracting and developing the next generation of employees.
We're doing a lot of stuff when it comes to finding and taking our high school students and helping to develop them. We're trying to find ways to develop them, help give them education. We're looking for people that are willing to work, have a desire and a passion for manufacturing. We'll help train them. We've got people on our shop floor that have been there for 30 plus years that will work with them shoulder to shoulder to help develop them.
At Jergens, it doesn't stop with just getting talented people in the door. Employee growth and development are at the cornerstones of their culture. It's all about continuous improvement for the employee and the company.
So we're looking at apprenticeship programs where they can help develop and become better. And if they want to go into further develop that for four-year education, college, engineering degree, we'll help support them as well in those areas.
Of course, it's also about engagement, inviting employees to be part of the company's strategy and success.
Trying to make sure they understand the vision and direction we're going. So one of the things we rolled out recently is a traction program, and it helps to lay out your 10-year target, your 3-year picture, and your 1-year plan, so all employees know where we're trying to go. I'm a big believer that if employees know where you're trying to go, then they're also going to be able to help to be a part of that process to get you there.
Better results and increased productivity also comes from employee buy-in, ensuring that they understand that everything they do, no matter how big or small, matters.
We're not a huge organization, and so being able to give everyone meaningful projects to work on is a great way to retain them because they're happy with the work that they're doing and they're bringing quality work back to us.
Quality work is also the byproduct of having a diverse workforce. Diversity is strength, strength of knowledge, strength of experience.
Diversity hiring is very important to us. You know, to us, every applicant has equal opportunity here, and it's very important for us to maintain a diverse workforce, be able to hear everyone's opinions, and being able to grow with the entire organization. And so, if you don't have diversity within your workforce, you're going to be missing out on those opportunities.
So often groups say, well, we're very inclusive. And I say, okay, well, tell me about your inclusiveness. And it's usually a fairly narrow definition of female employees or minority employees. And I say, well, how about special needs? Well, never thought about it. How about this group of formerly incarcerated? We never thought about it. I said, no, this is inclusive.
For some companies, workplace culture may be a new concept, but here at Jergens, it has been an important part of their business through 4 generations of leadership.
Every organization has its own workplace culture, and I think you need to really do the hard work of understanding what your workplace culture is and really leaning into it. For us, our workplace culture has always been a family culture, and so being able to lean into that and always lean back towards knowing, fall back to what we know our culture is, find what culture works for you and really lean into it.
We have a family that maybe owns the business, but family business means everybody in this organization is part of the Jergens family. And we say that loudly and clearly. Once you become a member of the Jergens family, you are here for life.